Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me wanting to draw two lines identically apart, a half of an inch apart, and he was going to use the nudge distance. So let's take our original line and make Control D and make a duplicate and move it up. But it doesn't move it up equally because it's not a straight, flat, parallel line. So one way you could do this takes a little bit extra steps, but go to Effects, Contour to half of an inch to the outside. You're going to get that. Now to make these lines, I would select all this, go up to Object, break contour apart. Let's zoom in here. The easiest way would be to take your parallel or your 2-point line and go from that node to that node, and then you'd have the same angle. Then just pick your pick tool and move it over there. Now that might not be quite long enough, but we'll see, and it's not. So what we can do is make it 1 inch long and go to at least our edges. Do the same thing on the other end. This seems like a lot of work, but I don't really know how else you could do it easily. Maybe somebody will chime in and see it's at that angle, and it doesn't really matter. But if you wanted the line perfectly, and then just move it over, and we'll go ahead and make it 1 inch just to make sure we're long enough. Then we're going to take our virtual segment delete key, and we're going to delete these lines we don't need that bottom one. Let's zoom in here. Virtual segment delete key, and delete that line. Then you can just take that line away and turn both these into a red hairline just by left clicking and turning into a red hairline. So now you have two lines that are equally spaced apart. I'm hoping that's what he was asking. Hope it answered his question, and thank you for watching.